Hello all, welcome to our new series Learn German Easily. In this lesson we are going to learn nominative possessive article, that is possessive personal pronomen in German, and we'll solve an exercise at the end. First, let us understand what is possessive pronoun in English. When we talk about objects belonging to some person or things owned by the person or relationships, then we use possessive pronoun. For example, she is my sister. In this sentence, I am using pronoun my to show relationship between me and sister. This is her book. In this sentence, I am using pronoun her to show that she owns the book. Possessive pronoun means possessive pronomen in German. This is the table for possessive pronomen in nominative case. As they are nominative pronomen, so they can be used for subject position only. In German, this possessive pronomen depend on the gender of the noun for which this possessive pronomen is used. Here you can see in the table for masculine and for neutral noun, possessive pronomens are mein, dein, sein, ihr, sein, unser, euer, ihr. And for feminine and for plural noun, possessive pronomen are meine, deine, seine, ihre, seine, unsere, eure, ihre. I'll repeat all the pronomen for masculine and neutral. Mein, dein, sein, ihr, sein, unser, euer, ihr. I'll repeat it for feminine and plural noun. Meine, deine, seine, ihre, seine, unsere, eure, ihre. Let us see few examples. Their Sohn, sein Sohn. As Sohn is masculine gender noun, that is why sein is possessive pronomen used. Their computer, ihr Computer. Computer is masculine gender noun, that is why ihr is possessive pronomen. Die Prüfung, eure Prüfung. Prüfung is feminine gender noun, that is why eure is possessive pronomen. Das Haus, ihr Haus. House is neutral gender noun, that is why ihr is possessive pronomen. Das Handy, mein Handy. Handy is neutral gender noun, that is why mine is possessive pronomen used. Mein Haus ist groß. We are writing possessive for house, so we will check gender of house. Now as house is neutral gender noun, we look into the column of neutral and we want to write equivalent of my. So we have to write possessive for ish for neutral, that is why mine. Das ist ihre Tasche. Tasche is feminine noun, that is why ihre is possessive pronomen for Tasche. Das ist sein Ball. Ball is masculine noun, that is why sein is possessive pronomen for Ball. Wo sind meine Schlüssel? Schlüssel is plural noun, that is why meine is possessive pronomen for Schlüssel. Das ist unsere Schule. Schule is feminine noun, that is why unsere is possessive pronomen for Schule. Ist sie deine Lehrerin? Lehrerin is feminine noun. That is why deine is possessive pronomen for Lehrerin. Sie ist meine Mutter. Mutter is feminine gender noun. That is why meine is possessive pronomen for Mutter. Er ist mein Vater. Vater is masculine gender noun. That is why mein is possessive pronomen for Vater. Ist sie eure Großmutter? Großmutter is feminine gender noun. That is why eure is possessive pronomen for Großmutter. Now we will solve one short exercise. Here are few sentences on screen. Try to fill blank spaces with the proper possessive pronomen. Here are the answers given. You can check your answers. I hope you understand possessive pronomen. Thank you for watching the video.